back. He took 1 click of damage. And Gorilla Commander gets that. And I don't think he's able to do that. He has stealth though right now, so I'll move him right here. So now he has stealth. I'll just put a square on him. I really don't care anymore. Did I take a click of damage for Punisher?
Yeah.
And it is your turn.
And I'll push him to attack Gorilla Commander.
Oh, Gorilla Commander. 5,
No hit.
4. Oh my gosh.
Your turn.
Gonna push him to attack him. So I need 7, 8.
He's got
Willpower.
Okay.
So 2.
Did he have willpower before?
Yes.
Oh, he did, so I didn't have to do that. So
Yeah, now
so
go.
now he'll take 2.
And then he'll take 8 click of damage. This is kind of retarded because I have made every single hit and he has made no hits. And I'm gonna push Gorilla Commander to attack no other than
Stealth.
oh, stealth. So I'm gonna attack.
Oh, I'm not stealth anymore.
Oh, okay. So I'm gonna attack him. So I need 5. Exactly 5. So that hits for 3.
KO.
I feel so bad right now.
It's the rolls of the dice.
It's mathematically impossible for me to get every single one and you not to get any.
Obviously not.
Obviously. I'm gonna push him to attack the only guy left.
I agree with that strategy. I'm an aggressive player as well.
So I need a 7. I get exactly a 7.
Who are you attacking with?
Him.
Oh, okay. So yeah.
I got exactly a 7, so that's 3. Because you have toughness.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
No hits at all with 4 players on the board.
And I hit every single
For
time.
about a 16-minute game.
I'm sorry.
Open it up.
Okay, I'm going to open it up. Yeah, just...
Congratulations.
I feel really bad right now.
I feel bad. Let's see what we got.
Oh, I like these guys. That's fine.
You got another century.
I like these guys, so that's
Yeah.
fine.
You can have them. They actually do something when you put them near each other called Night Watch.
Alright. Well,
Night Watch.
that is about it.
Focusing. There we
There
go.
we
Night Watch. When a friendly character named Thandral. Oh, okay. That's for somebody else. It's interesting.
But yeah, guys, thank y'all for watching our first,
First actual game, and we played Shadows.
And I think
this
we
Shadow
made-
team won.
I think we made I think we made a history. I never missed, and he
For four-
never hit.
With 4 characters each.
In the same exact characters.
Call
So,
guess. See if it's a record.
Yeah, just do that, because that's ridiculous. But, alright guys, see ya, and please like and comment and subscribe. Bye.